Hello people, today I wanted to talk to you how to use blend option, how you can bridge polygons if you want to connect them together. There is a polygon mesh option called blend. You can attach polygons all together if you have separate elements, but at the same time you can bridge, and I will show you. But please, if you have open polygons, I would rather to close any gaps before you use this option, blend. Make sure you only have one of the holes. I have this hole. I will clean up my polygon, dissolve and clean vertices. I just want to prepare my polygon before I use option blend. You can also copy, if you are too lazy, you can always copy polygon according to x-axis before you use blend. Edit, duplicate, instantiate. Got a second option because I want to show you something. -1. Before I show you, I will have to copy according to my axis. Wait a minute. I don't see this polygon. Oh yes, I can. It was too far. Sorry people, I couldn't see this. It was quite far. I cannot get why my application works very slow. Oh, make sure you delete history. This is important too when you delete construction history. Both polygons are ready to be blended. So we select those two items and we choose the polygon mesh blend. Depending what value is, if value is higher, you can bridge polygons. Or you can see we have created a new face. We can merge all together and we can delete operator. Now we have part of the bench. I hope you like my video tutorial. Why I wanted to talk about it? Because if you have option below, because you can do in polygon mesh, but that option doesn't really work. Delete components. Delete components. This only works for single edges. If you want to weld all selected edges all together at the same time, it may not work. That is why I wanted to introduce to you wonderful tool called Blend. Because Blend will bridge polygons in object mode even if you have open edges with all, even if you have open polygon with lots of edges. Because this first solution works better. I hope you like my video tutorial and have a nice day. I didn't talk about this application for a long time, but I'm getting back again to this application because I'm waiting when a new version of the same but open source version of the same program will be released, and I will show you because one computer programmer works creating a copy of the same program but open source. I will show you. I'm waiting for Black application which will be based on Softimage. It's not available yet, but it will be in the future. It will be guys in the future. I'm really looking forward to it. Softimage is great, to be honest. But you also have native support. You can always download render engine cycles. This is based, that renderer plugin add-on is based on cycles render, which is in Blender. Blender has the same renderer engine, so you can download this and you can use it with Softimage. But I don't want to talk right now about it because I was publishing video tutorial about the blend option. I hope you like my video tutorial. See you guys.